Spirit Alpha 2, ground point 1, Spirit 1362. Keep it posted.
American 1584, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, full length, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 26 right, full length, American 1584.
1630, all right. It looks like they're going to be able to get a hole for you in about 10 to 15 minutes to go there from Delta.
Perfect, thanks.
Land left, 600 territory.
One's a Fort Pilatus that follows over there by the Wynn Casino, if you're familiar, no factor.
Fair to that picture, Papa. Tower Sky City 489, visual, 26 left.
Flight 903, Las Vegas Tower, follow traffic on the 4-mile final, runway 1 on the right, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Sky City 489.
19 left from there, proceed direct, that'll help us out.
Yeah, we'll go direct runway 19 left, big trip 104.
Okay, 104, change runway 19 left, runway 19 left, clear to land, thanks for direct, thanks for the, keep your speed up, thanks for the help.
Keep your speed up, clear direct to runway 1, land runway 19 left, big trip 104.
Flight 903, you follow traffic short final now, number 1, runway 1 on the right, clear to land. Flight 903.
Tower, you want 440 Whiskey Papa at departure?
Whiskey Papa, contact departure 13395, take it easy.
3395.
00 Juliet, contact departure, have a good one.
Short departure, 600 Juliet, thanks.
Flight 903, how's it going?
Town Flight 903 just got handed over to you. We'll maintain 3,500 till a 3-mile final.
Flight 903, number 1, runway 1 on the right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 1 on the right, Town Flight 903, thanks.
713 Alpha Kilo, Las Vegas Tower, anticipating about 3 to 4 minute wait. Cross runway 1 on the right, running numbers to 19 left.
Cross 19 right, hold short 19 left, talkers 3 Alpha Kilo.
31 Mike Lima, contact ground 121.1. Papa, contact ground 121.1 to Sierra.
1.1, 1 Sierra Papa. Tower, native 8.
8 Las Vegas Tower, clear to class drive airspace at request.
Yeah, we'll be departing sunrise for native
8
8.
Las Vegas Tower, proceed to request Boulder Highway, wind check 150C, altimeter 3001.
Alright, clear the via Boulder Highway for native 8 now.
Right.
Alpha 6, hold short 26 right, American 2796.
Alright, while you're waiting, cross runway 1 on the right, running numbers to 19 left, they just 438.
Okay, cross runway 19 right and hold short of 19 left, that's at 438.
1 Mike, hold position right there, but expect runway 19 left. Papa, contact ground 121.1.
Sergeant 64, visual 19 right.
4 Las Vegas Tower, follow Mighty Hawker, 12 o'clock, 6 mile, runway 1 on the right, clear to land, welcome home.
Clear to land, 19 or right, yes.
Be ready to go. It's going to be kind of tight with the traffic on the converging.
We'll be ready to go.
American 1584, wind calm, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, American 1584.
Thanks for the help out there.
Spirit Wings 1362.